So here's what comes in the box. Obviously your desktop, and then 4 legs, some braces, wheels, and of course your hardware. Everything about this is really simple. Your legs go in right here, and then here's your hardware, and you just simply put them through and tighten them up. Same hardware for the side and the back and the other side braces. Now onto the wheels. Okay, so the only challenging thing about this, and it's not really a major challenge, are the wheels, because this hole is just a little bit finicky, if you know what I mean. And these washers are a little bigger than the other ones. You put that on, and then what I have found to be easiest is to hold the wheel and twist this until it's, until you can't tighten it anymore with your hand. And then your wrench that's provided has got a small end, which you've been using, and now it's got a big end. And you just tighten it up. So let's tighten it up. Well, there you go. It's all done. I love it. It's really good and sturdy. And it's got wheels on it. I mean, who doesn't love wheels on everything? And you can lock them in and move it around or whatever you want to do with it. Wife bought her a pretty pink chair to go with it because this is her office. We'll put the link down below so you can check it out if you want. But either way, thanks for watching.